Burping contest part 2.
They don't want to be in it. I don't know why. Okay. Maybe next time more people. 1, 2, 3. Maybe she'll burp for once. Oh no. Or not. It was Marty. She's not even in it. She's like one right there. I'm not drinking my soda. Maybe that's why. Oh well. So, maybe it was that too. I had to sit on my gum too. My other one was better. I don't think anybody could beat that one. So, I don't know if we can try. Sure got it.
Eyes, goddamn.
I know, huh?
You like it in temperature?
There you go. There it is.
You like Fiscus?
I had to down my soda.
Is it fun?
Yeah. Oh, that was yuck. What do you think? Whose was better, hers or mine? Well, this round.
Maybe next time.
Yeah. Are we done? Nope. I think she has more to it. Don't let it go past 7 minutes. Maybe 4 or 5. Yeah. Oh. How much down there?
You guys are only at 1 minute.
Cool. She's winning, but I blew her away the first time.
Say hi.
Hey, let's try to say hi while we're burping.
They're going to try and say hi when they're burping. Oh, my bad.
Hi.
I can't do it.
Couldn't do it. Hi. I couldn't do it. Okay, she said hi for us. Now let's say what's up. I can't talk while I'm burping. I don't know why.
I can.
You do it.
Mm-mm.
You don't have to turn the camera on you. Good.
No texting.
I didn't even say hello.
Look at her texting her boyfriend.
Oh, we're not dating yet. So, she said what's up. She said hello. I can't say nothing. And who's up? Maybe I should say hello. Hold on.
Say IDK.
She can do it. I can't. I can burp. It won't come out.
I can make myself burp.
Shit. Whoa.
Watch.
I know you're winning. Now see if anybody can beat her burp. Oh, I did a little burp like that. No, the other one.
Winners!
Oh.
Samantha Thompson.
She's the winner. We're tied. We're gonna have to do a elimination pretty soon. I can't burp.
Superior.
Alright. Yep.
Look at our beautiful mountains. Move your head.
Yep. That's too late. Gotta tell them what they are, you know.
I thought it was that way. Say hi, Marty.
I kind of said hello. Alright, but let's say bye now. If you can say bye, I'm done. I'll just wave goodbye. Go ahead, say bye. You have to wait till it works up. Bye. I can't do bye-bye either.